There are more than 17 million wartime veterans living in the United States today. Each of these brave men and women took an oath to serve this great nation during times when many had to make the ultimate sacrifice. Now they have the opportunity to tell the world about their personal experience through the Library of Congress Veterans History Project. This congressionally mandated program collects, preserves, and makes accessible the wartime stories of those Americans who served during the two world wars in Korea, Vietnam, Iraq, and Afghanistan. Won't you yourself collect and preserve the story of at least one veteran? Help us gather in the accounts of 10,000 veterans by Veterans Day. Sign up at the address or call the number on your screen. Pledge to preserve this important part of America's history.
Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you for visiting our channel. Don't forget to visit our online merchandise shops. The link is in the channel description. Remember, learn something every day. Please check out our other videos. We will see you in the next one.